To measure current with your multimeter, you've got the current settings, but you've also got current terminals. Now what you don't do is hook it up in your current terminals, select your setting, and measure active neutral. Because what happens there is this is almost just a dead short, so you're going to kill your multimeter. What you have to do is you have to measure in the circuit. That's why it's good to have a clamp meter, because you don't need to worry about breaking the circuit. So this is an invasive test.